It's my first time building a kitchen, and in the last episode I built my very first drawer and installed a dishwasher, and this week it's drawer time and time to finally wrap this project up. Hello wonderful people, so now I'm gonna build the second drawer. Much smarter how I did it this time, to only attach 3 sides and then put the bottom in. Now I'm gonna mark the second slide. I put the slides in there and now I'm gonna attach the slide on here. So I'm gonna take a few millimeters off here. I cut off a few millimeters. And I really hope that it's gonna fit now. Still not enough, a little bit more. Third try, now I had to make the edge above it a bit bigger. Well, it's not a very smooth fit yet. But it will be. Good morning. Oh, spring is finally here. The cold nights have disappeared and I'm just soaking in the sunshine. It has been a very late spring in Portugal, so now it's hitting really hard. So now I'm gonna build the drawer doors because the paint has to dry a few days. So I'm gonna build the doors before I actually continue with the drawers. Good morning. But this is huge. God, look at this tiny jar. So now it's time for trim. Maybe I should not say it because then maybe I have to do one of them again, but this is going to be the last door of this kitchen. So that's a wrap on these doors for now. I'm gonna do the inside edges later and then iron the edges on. Oh, I like cute little drawer doors. Now I have to cut off the overlapping edges because they are a bit too wide. I know there's a tool for that and I wish I would have that tool. But with a knife it works just fine. Oh wow, look at that go! Now come the last finishing touches before painting. Like this one, I'm just gonna fill them in so that it will really become one surface in the end with the paint. Cool. So the last one is this one. Last step before painting now is to drill the holes for the handles. Now I have to make these holes bigger so the screws will sink into the wood. Done! Now I can prepare the paint. I'm very exhausted today. Feeling a little sick. I hope I don't get sick now. I'm finally gonna paint them now. So this is the first coat. They are done now. Painting is the easiest part of all of them. I'm gonna call it a day. Yoo-hoo! I finally figured out this drawer and now it slides so easily. That was quite tricky. Good morning, another beautiful day, and I'm now making the third drawer on the big side, on the left side. Together, which is always the trickiest part. But maybe this one will be easy for a change. Now let's drill away. Ta-da! My little cutlery drawer is finished. Yoo-hoo! So the screws are sticking out here a bit, so I'm gonna grind them off. So I'm excited to put it in now. That is so bent. Well, the good thing is I can cover it up with the front so you won't see anything. So I fixed that one so it will open more easily too. Why is that one coming up so much? I don't get it. So here's my drawer balcony. The oil paint is so delicate that you can't touch it. Not a hair can fall on it. But I hope that this first coat is drying quickly so I can do the second coat. Because I want to finish the kitchen before the weekend. So now I'm gonna build the other 3 drawers. Today's drawer mass production. So let's go! These are all the pieces. Let's put them together. I'm so excited. That is some nice sawdust. I will start with the biggest one. I finally figured out the pocket holes, how deep I have to drill them so they don't come out on the outside. Let me show you the 3 drawers. So here we go. Big mama, small mama and baby. I just had enough of this wood because for this one I need wood that's 60 long and I only had 50 boards left. So that was fortunate. Okay, so let's do the drawer slides. Mass production day. So here we are, this is a very tight space. It's hard to reach in here. And then this is freshly painted, so I cannot touch that. So, here we go. Let's see how it rolls. Oh wow, really nice. All right, next one. That's a happy moment. That it fits so nicely in here. So exciting that I'm now also a drawer building girl. Never thought I would be. My arms are starting to feel heavy already. Let's go. Let's try it. Seems like it's a bit tight at the back. I'm gonna have so much storage. I'm gonna have to buy more cutlery because I lived without kitchen shelves and drawers for way too long. That one is so easy to open and close. Cool! They are not very straight, but that's the good part about doing face frames in the front. Nobody will see anything in the end. Yoo-hoo! So I built these drawers in 2 days. You think that it would be much faster, but it just takes a lot of time to sand everything off. Oh man, I'm so happy. I'm gonna take a break now. Hello, so I'm gonna try to figure out these drawers here so that they will run nicely and smoothly. This one is fine, I think. This one needs a bit more sanding off, I think. Nice! Look at how smooth that's going now. Okay, that one is good. And now I'm going to remove that one and put it lower because it's just weird that the drawer is always pushing up. I'm gonna take off a little bit here. That runs nicely. So now this one, it didn't slide in very well, so I cut off an edge with the circular saw. It's sliding so much better, but it has to stick out more here at the front. It's pretty narrow and then pretty deep, so I'm gonna cut it off, make it a bit less deep. And now I'm gonna do the same on this very narrow and very high drawer. That is so much better now. Okay, now I'm gonna drill the holes into them for the doors and then oil them inside with linseed oil. So they are done, and now I can varnish them with oil. I can't believe that this is one of the last steps for my kitchen. So the cuties can dry now. So it got so warm now. It's the first day for summer dress, and I'm just putting the handles on the fronts now and then installing the front. Start with the middle one to make sure that both of the other ones are still gonna open. Hi! I'm actually having some guests from Denmark, and Torbjörn is gonna help me to hold this thing up. And then, can you hold it there?
Yes. I got it.
Ah, now we Good. Can you take your hand out there? Okay, now. I think the first one is the hardest.
Yeah. Yes.
Let's push it in. Cool. Yeah.
But this time we have to be aware of the top, the middle drawer.
Yeah, so first we hold it here.
Yes.
Okay.
There's a gap over here to the left.
Oh, well, we could move that one more to the right.
To the left.
Yeah.
Then maybe we'll have to do the bottom drawer and then
First and then
fix the...
So, now we have to open it. Okay, have you got it?
I got it. Okay, it covers the gap down here. I was kind of thinking, you don't have by any chance something that we can put here too?
Oh yeah, I have. That's a good idea. Now the back and forth starts. It has to go more left, more right, up more, down more. It's very tricky to do this, so I'm very happy to have some help here. Did the first 3! Yoo-hoo! They are not perfectly aligned, but from a distance you don't even see it. It was very hard to do, and now we have the next 3 to do. Do you think they are easier because they are smaller?
No.
No, I also don't think so.
Ah, I lost it. Sorry.
No problem. Cutie! Now this one is a little special.
What will happen if you keep it at the same level?
What do you think?
I think I like it. Nice.
Has to go a bit higher, I think.
Yeah, both
A
sides.
little bit to the left.
Marginally.
Still too low.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that was too much.
Oh no, we only have one more chance.
We could remove one screw, put one in, and remove the other, and then twist it a little up.
Can you hold it like that?
Yes.
Because now they are flush.
Carpenter mine.
My kitchen is done, my kitchen is done.
We can make
And a
it.
lot goes on there, or?
Yes, all the time.
Good. All the time, everybody's online. Relax. Yeah, it was a lot today. So I had my first cozy meal in the finished kitchen with Lisbeth and Torbjörn.
Jumping tub.
Oh, that's good. Maybe cheaper than in the supermarket. So. Yeah, there's also many markets here. So this is it. My kitchen is finished. At least this part. I'm gonna think of some nice shelves to put here. It has been an exciting process to build this kitchen. And these drawers turned out beautifully, and I hope that I can enjoy this kitchen for many years to come. And I just have so much storage now, which makes it possible to live comfortably in this tiny space. I can't believe that I built this kitchen. It's such a luxury to have a dishwasher. Yes, I have a dishwasher because I hate to do the dishes. And a proper worktop height, and hot water, drinking water, an exhaust hood, a proper stovetop, everything that I need really. So off-grid luxury is here. I can't wait to spend time cooking beautiful meals here. Let me know your thoughts in the comments and thank you so much for being here with me on this journey.